How to add EBT card to sClub application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can add EBT card to sClub application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your sClub application and ensure that you are logged into your account. After that, you have to head towards your card section where you can check out your product. So under your card, you have to tap on checkout button at the bottom right corner. And during checkout process, you have to select or add your payment method. Under that, tap on add a payment card. After that, from the prompt, you have to select EBT card as your payment method. Now, you have to enter your EBT card details. Input your card number and any other required information. Now, you have to confirm to add the EBT card to your account, and that's going to save your information. So that's how you can add EBT card to sClub application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.